The Guillermo Foundation hails the Prince of Philippine Movies and Television, Gerald Anderson.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mrs. Yoli Mendoza.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, una-una maraming salamat to God at sa pamilya ko. Siyempre kay Kim sa lahat ng support na binigay niya sa akin. At sa lahat po ng fans, maraming pong salamat.
The Guillermo Foundation hails the Princess of Philippine Movies and Television, Kim Chiu.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Arnel Papa. And presenting the bouquet for Skin White Face is Skin White's brand manager, Miss Aileen Montemayor.
Una sa lahat, magandang gabi po. And syempre nagpapasalamat ako sa Guillermo Mendoza sa karangalang ito, sa pagkilala. Maraming salamat po. And syempre, lastly, syempre kay Gerald, maraming salamat.
It looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way, but we knew we'd get there someday. They said, I'll bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong.
Si Kim ba talaga ang tipo ng babae na pwede mong pakasalan? Pag
Yes.
yung
Yes.
Di ba tapos question ko?